Okay, next one up, one of my favorites, Yamaha R1M. This is an 1800 miler. Kaio's just got it in next door, in for a little trot TLC before it goes in the showroom. Doesn't need a lot doing to it, to be honest. Polish up this end cam, we'll sort those wheels out, get a bit of fresh chain lube on it. It needs a bit of polishing on this black. I notice it's got a few marks on it, so we'll get it all cleaned, and then we'll get my little flex machine out. We'll polish up that black, get this sticky stuff off the windscreen, polish up the windscreen, polish up this, get it in the showroom. There you go, hour and a half on the dot. This gorgeous Yamaha R1M has been fully trotted and heading for the showroom. Anybody looking for a lovely low mileage R1M? This thing is immaculate. 1800 miles. Absolutely immaculate, almost as new condition. Give Kaio a ring. RNC Motorcycles, this will not be around long.